A trusted name in residential real estate for over 3 decades. Welcome to Celebrity Group, founded and promoted by Shri P. Karunakar Reddy, a former flight lieutenant in the Indian Air Force. In Hyderabad and Bangalore, Celebrity Group has produced outstanding value in several prosperous projects. A legacy of excellent developments is displayed in our library, each of which represents a new era in customer satisfaction and growth. Celebrity Group is devoted to generating wealth over 3 decades by visionary focus on quickly expanding regions like NIMS. Zahirabad is one of the industrial smart cities under NICDP and the only smart city in Telangana. NIMS is around 55 kilometers from ORR Muthangipatan Cheru exit on Mumbai Highway. Rajiv Gandhi Airport is a 90 minutes drive. Bidar Airport is 15 minutes away. The proximity to the regional ring road to NIMS is 30 minutes. A new 6-lane road Miapur to Sangareddy will further reduce travel time. NIMS at Zahirabad is a Make in India initiative. Greenfield pollution-free smart industrial park developed on 12,635 acres. As a part of the National Manufacturing Policy, the central government with the help of PSIIC, Primary Infrastructure Development, estimated 4,048 crore rupees. Primary goal is to create 2.5 lakhs for direct and 6 lakhs in direct employment in the manufacturing sector's contribution to the increase of 25% of GDP. Establishments surrounding Zahirabad, Toshiba, Pepsi, MRF, Mahindra and Mahindra, Piramal, Arabindo, JNTU, IIT Hyderabad, Voxen University, Geetham, and many more medium-scale industries. NIMS via Hubli Junction, 100 feet. BT Road helps the transport of equipment in large vehicles by reducing traffic and travel time, and the government is integrating a manufacturing zone. Automobiles, aerospace, machinery, transport equipment, electrical and electronics, metals, non-metallic minerals, logistics park and food park, land allotted to companies at NIMS. Position to construct VEM Technologies, Hyundai Motors. Agreement signed at NIMS. Companies are Triton, One Moto, Ativo, Metaphor, Hudson, Deloitte. Media highlights about NIMS. NIMS, providing employment opportunities and contributing to the region's economic and new city opportunities. This development creates significant demand for houses and plots. Cabinet decision on 28th of August 2024 for the Grand Necklace of Industrial Smart Cities at NIMZ. Cabinet approves 12 industrial cities under the National Industrial Corridor Development Program. An estimated investment of 28,602 crore rupees on 12,635 acres of greenfield smart industrial city. The project spans across 10 states and strategically planned along 6 major corridors for smart city. The central government is allotting 1,200 crores fund for residential infrastructure and facilities every year. Celebrity Group has established itself in the center of this growth-oriented concept. NIMS, Celebrity Group Development, which includes DTCP-approved residential plots that need increasing demand from moving professionals. Our plots are close to the NIMZ zone. Our homes provide excellent investment opportunities in addition to and significant value growth is anticipated over the next 3 to 5 years. Immediate housing requirements by the employees. Housing plotted development has great demand, value and appreciation is more in comparison to Sadasivpet and Sangareddy. There has been significant development of residential colonies and housing due to industrialization as witness BHEL, Kukatpalli, Gachibowli, High-Tech City, Balanagar and the financial district IT corridors. Celebrity Group is a unique growth destination with a minimum assurance of doubling your investment in 30 months and bank loan facilities with EMI are available. Celebrity Developers, a name you trust, a commitment you deserve. Double your investment in just 3 years. Invest in plots with high potential returns.